What is good, everybody? Back with another video. And in today's video, I'm uncovering the new update. Today is an update day. Well, I mean, I haven't posted in a while because I've been on vacation. Hooray! I made it back not too long ago. But yeah, I was scrolling on YouTube while I was heading back, and yeah, I saw new update. Saw that there were now turtles, my favorite animal, if you didn't know that. And they also have that Goku thing and so much more to go check out. So yeah, I'm gonna go plug in my headset again, and then we're gonna go check out the new thing, okay? Just give me 1 second. Be good. Okay, so let's actually, I'm not gonna do that right now. I did get this, and I did get the bundle, of course. I did get the Goku thing. What is new? What the frick? What do he? Oh! Oh, wait. Wait, hold on. Are these the content creators? I think those are. I think those are the content creators. Was this from the disco thing? I think this might have been from disco. Maybe. Oh, whoa. Oh, yo. Wait, this wall has texture. Like, actually good texture on the wall now. I don't think anything's changed. Besides that, and then I think other stuff. We still have that, and we still got all that. The shop is normal, I think. Yeah, I got this, that. I got the mirror and crap. So really nothing has changed up here. I want to go check this just real quick. Is there anything new? Nope, we still got the green light and my old freaking grappler. Okay. Okay, cool. So, really nothing's changed up here besides the texture and the look of the stash. Okay. Now, let's go check out this. Now, what actually is this? So, it shows Haunted Mansion. Should be sewers. Haunted Mansion again. Is it only Haunted Mansion and sewers? Oh no, we got mines too. Wait. Do you think... Wait a minute. If I'm not mistaken, I think if I get gadgets, I know it's probably gonna be dark, so I'm just gonna get a bunch of lights. Is this a teleporter? Where do I wanna go? There's mines. Oh. Oh, what? It just spawns you right in mines. 2 minutes. What? Oh wait, what is that? What are you? Is that a ticking time bomb? Yo, wait, is this a bomb? Oh, wait. What is this? Can you open it? What do you do with it? You smack things? It has like a... Oops, just dropped my controller. It just has like a timer on it right now. What happens? That's not... Okay. Yeah. That's a teleporter now. I never knew a freaking GameCube could do that. You know... Animal Company is absolutely insane. Hey, I did get 3 research points. Yeah. Office still looks the same. That is crazy. That is so cool. That is so cool. Hold up. So it spawns you right where it's looking at, I'm guessing. So I take this. And then I'll take like a grappler. Let's take 2. So I can just jump into it to where I want to go. So I can, like, if I want to, I can go to office just like that. Haunted mansion, nah. Let's go to sewers. You just got to wait here until it. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this does. I don't know how to disarm it. Like, I don't get it. What do I have to find? Like, what am I looking for? What the frick? Sewers is different. Well, that is pretty cool. I don't really know what to do. I'm gonna have to search up a video at some point. But, like, that's crazy, man. Like, dude, that is like the craziest, like, contraption teleportation thing ever. And then the C4, like, time bomb thing, whatever it is. Tell me in the comments how you actually do that, because I do not know how to get rid of that. That's just something. It has like a, does it have like a, it might have a certain, like the area you're at, the longer the time is, maybe? That might be how it is. I don't know. But guys, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go, whatever it's called, grab my, because I have a new fit that I'm gonna start wearing now. So I'm gonna show y'all right now. Just give me 1 second. Let's do a transition. What is good? My new fit. This is such a upgrade. Since, you know, turtles are my favorite animal, of course. They're basically my spirit animal. I can freaking talk to those things. I'm wearing the stuff and a hat, of course, and then I got this banana earring, and then I got the skeleton stuff. Yeah, this is my new fit. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya!